So today we're on our way to our latest listing. It's in the Larch neighbourhood, right on the far end of Larch. It's a rare neighbourhood we visit actually. There's not many houses that come up for sale in this neighbourhood, and it is so peaceful and serene, as you can tell just from the setting we're in right now. We're close to the schools, we're close to the parks, we're very close to the Bow River and walking trails that go around the Bow River, but we're in one of the most peaceful settings you can find in Canmore that still has incredible mountain views. Welcome to 905 Larch Place. We're right on the end of the cul-de-sac in the Larch neighbourhood. We've got over 2,700 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths in a beautiful, serene setting. Let's go inside and take a look. So as soon as you enter the house, we've got this first living space. We've got 2 living spaces on this main floor, and as you'll see, we've got this beautiful natural light coming in from the south-facing windows. We've got some nice log accents with the hardwood floors, a gas burning stove, and then this beautiful formal dining area, again with that big window letting in all that natural light. And then as we go through the door behind me, Kyle's there to show you that second living space.
Welcome to the northeast facing living area on the main floor. We've got a really nice wood burning fireplace here to my right. And then we look out onto the backyard, the hot tub, the deck, the beautiful morning sun, and then the lot actually backs onto green space, so no development will ever be back there. The mountain theme continues in the kitchen and living area with the log accents and wood ceilings. Once again, just flooded with natural light. Kitchen's been updated with new countertops, painted cabinets, and a beautiful new backsplash, and newer appliances as well.
As you make your way upstairs to this second floor, the mountain theme again continues with these log railings, and you immediately realize that this is one of the best office spaces in Canmore as you sit here looking out through those south-facing windows, staring at the mountains.
I absolutely love this 4th bedroom. There's a Murphy bed, so this swings up, becomes a family room or another office with the 2 built-in desks. Incredible views to the southwest and an awesome deck as well.
So just at the back of the house, on this second floor again, we've got the primary bedroom that looks out over the green space. The primary bedroom is huge. It's got some beautiful natural light coming in through those north-facing windows. It easily fits a king bed in here as well as a living space, and then obviously has the walk-in closet and 4-piece washroom with jetted tub.
We're in the 3rd of 4 bedrooms on the upper level. Fantastic view of Lady Macdonald. The 2nd bedroom has a perfect view of 3 Sisters. I absolutely love this upper floor. Welcome to the rear yard at 905 Larch Place. Complete privacy, backing onto green space, incredible views, this wonderful newer deck, hot tub, as well as woodworking storage shed with a wood-burning fireplace in it. It's amazing back here.
So one of the big benefits of being at the end of a cul-de-sac in a really quiet neighborhood in Canmore is just the peace and tranquility that you get from this backyard. You can't see your neighbors on either side, and then as Kyle said earlier, you've got this green space. It is a perfect Canmore location. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about this property or would like to take a viewing of this property, please just message me right below. As always, we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks, so don't forget to click that subscribe button.